We are at AJ's work, McDonald's. That's AJ, Jennifer, my dad, my mom, Betty Cool, and Uncle Tony. Jen and Miko are over there, and AJ won't get out of the camera. And Jennifer. Here's my dad. Jennifer.
You're exempt.
Para si mama yun eh. Huwag kagad eh.
Yung...
Ano mo?
Ba't nang tamang ilagay yung pangalan mo? Hindi na ba? Hindi na? Mahawakan? Wala, lagi yung
Not recording.
See Jennifer eat.
Trying to say something to you. Meron pa yata ako isang sa garage.
Nasa likod ko ah.
Hanapin yun sa nasa garage.
At least daw dala.
Oh, there's something in there, huh?
Yeah, your brain.